Good morning, guys. Hang on. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. This is an awesome vlog today. It's super early right now. As you see, we are in our North Faces. I am, he is, and I guess my flip-flops. And we are actually heading out to Oregon in collaboration with JUCY RV Vans for this awesome vlog. I'm super excited for this vlog and to bring you guys what it looks like to be the coast of California and the coast of Oregon.
Not a morning person, I'm midday.
And yeah, it's like 5 a.m. and we're heading to Oregon right now. We want to make it to the coast. It's about a 7-hour drive. I've never been to the coast of Oregon. Have you ever been?
I have not, I'm excited.
You've never been to Oregon in general?
No, I'm pumped.
Yeah, so we got up really early and we're gonna bring to you what it is, the entire trip from here out to Oregon. So the JUCY van is right out there. I'll show you what it looks like and we'll give you guys the full tour later on. Look at that van.
Let's go.
All right, so we found this cool little spot. We took a little photo shoot. We shot the drone up. David, you want to drive now?
All right.
Oh my God, what a sweet guy, sweet gentleman.
Stop and get coffee.
Ladies, he's single, by the way, so. It's cold, it's cold. Oh my God, you're really napping in here. So I've been driving for about 3 hours. Finally, I'm not driving. David took a little nap. We got some gas. This drive has been perfect so far. It's been absolutely beautiful. We have about another hour and 15 minutes to our first destination. The whole goal is to get to Brookings, Oregon. It's actually the first town in Oregon once you cross through by 101. So at this point of our trip, we had another hour drive to our second stop, and boy, were the trees tall. The place we stopped at was the Humboldt Redwood State Park, just off the 101. The specific area we were in is called Avenue of the Giants. Oh, hey guys, didn't see you guys here. Yeah, let me give you a quick tour of the JUCY van. We are at the Humboldt Redwood Forest right now. So yeah, we are parked on the side of the road. I'll give you a quick tour of the van, show you what it looks like. We are in the JUCY van. Come on this side. So in here you got a lot of stuff, right? So basically this will slide backwards. You can actually take a pole out, put it right in the middle. You can flip this on top. Whole table setting over here so people can actually sit and hang out in the back. Besides that, it's a 2014 Dodge Caravan, so it's nothing too crazy. Let's go to the back real quick and let me hop open the trunk. So this is pretty awesome here. The first thing I'm going to show you is the stove top right over here. So this is basically a gas burner. With this stove you can cook whenever you guys want. There's chairs that they let us rent out and you can just pop out the chairs, cook whatever you need, and slide it back. Right here's another portable stove, so you can actually take it out to the beach with you wherever you want and cook on the go, let's say. So here's a cutting board right here. This is the sink. It takes 5 gallons of water, so you can actually have a sink on the go and a cutting board on the go. This is pretty awesome. This is the fridge, so check out the fridge. So we got some water, we got some beers, we got some milk for breakfast, we got some strawberries. This is the fridge. You can actually control the temperature, control all the power. It runs on a separate battery, so you don't need to worry about keeping it on or off. Right over here you got some silverwares. This is typical cooking pots and pans, including a little tea kettle. And right over here is your basic silverware. Oh yeah, this is the Penthouse. Some of these actually, this part is detachable, but for this van it came attached, so you can't really take it off. Later we're gonna unlatch the back, unlatch the front, and we're gonna pop it out, and this is where David's gonna sleep. So it comes with a Penthouse here. The table inside there turns into a bed also, so I'm gonna be sleeping in there. You guys will see us a little more active with this JUCY van the next day or so. Where are we at, David?
Vegas.
So this is the tour of the JUCY van. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's close this real quick. Oh my God. Oh man. Let's head to Oregon.
Oh, I thought we were here.
David, stop the cars. Be careful, be careful. Woo! Oh, you're welcome. So we are now approaching the town of Brookings, Oregon. This is probably the town that we're gonna be hanging out at the most tonight and tomorrow. And yeah, we're gonna drive past Brookings and we're gonna hang out at the State Scenic Corridor. I think it's Samuel H. something State Scenic Corridor. I'll put it right over here. And yeah, we're gonna hang out there for a few hours until the sun sets. How are you feeling?
Good, man. I'm excited just to relax, drink some beers,
Yeah.
some guac, you know, the good life.
Eat some guac. That's the good life right there. Oh, this is Brookings. It's kind of a nice town. We can get some tattoos over there too. We can get dentures if we wanted to too. There's a cinema. Okay, so I feel.
Oh, nice. Let's definitely watch Star Wars.
Yeah, maybe we'll watch Star Wars tonight. We'll see. We came to Oregon to watch Star Wars. They got State Farm. Chris Paul works there. Taco Bell and KFC combo. There you go. You got options. Life is about options.
Pet market. Should we get like a dog or cat?
We can get a dog if you want. All right, let's get out. This will be our spot. What do you think of this spot?
Unreal, man.
It works? In about an hour and a half to sunset, we'll be right out here, shoot the drone, have a beer, and this is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love Oregon so far. And it's not that cold, surprisingly. I thought I was gonna be freezing. I'm still in my flip-flops, by the way. So David's getting the Penthouse out. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, keep going.
Fired.
Oh, that is so dope. For that. Ugh. This is the Penthouse. Welcome to the Penthouse. You got views that side. You could close this out. You got views that side of the ocean. Oh my gosh, just imagine waking up to this. That's what David will be doing. I'll be doing it from the car. Let's go back down. And she is back. Successful drone flight. Yeah, so this is the storage area. Oh, it is absolutely beautiful out here. So here is live action. This is random before the sunset. David using it to brush his teeth. Look at, so you wet the toothbrush like that. And with a gorgeous sunset in the background. Wow. I don't know what's nicer, David or that sky.
Me.
Oh, look at those views. Oh. All right. Lock it in place. The couch now back there. And we got this view for the morning. All right, good morning, guys. So we are in the breakfast making process now. We got some Cocoa Puffs. We got some beer from last night. We got some, this is work. These are delish. We got some strawberries. And we got an amazing view.
Oh, me?
So we ended up shooting the drone up one last time, enjoying our Cocoa Puffs, grabbing some coffee, and heading back south to California. Alright guys, what an awesome 2 days it's been with JUCY, taking a road trip from California up to Oregon. So we went to the first city out in Oregon, basically on the coast of the 101. The first city that you hit into Oregon off the 101, which is Brookings, Oregon. If you're looking for more of a nightlife, this isn't the place for you. This is just kind of like a getaway for us, just like a road trip to Oregon.
It's been a great couple days, a lot of beauty in Oregon. Oregon is definitely a place I want to check out for sure again. I definitely want to check out Portland. I heard great things. Beauty, nightlife,
The nightlife in Portland, again, if you're looking for a nightlife, this is the place to go to. Unfortunately, Portland's a little further out, so we didn't really get an opportunity to drive up there. Yeah, it was such a great experience with JUCY RVs. I highly recommend JUCY if you're looking for a road trip, if you're looking for that outdoor experience. Maybe if you're not a big fan of actually camping in a tent. I'm not too big of a fan of being in tents, but I was very, very comfortable in JUCY, waking up to an amazing view anywhere you want to be at. What a great experience with JUCY. What an awesome road trip from California to Oregon. Thank you for watching the vlog. If you like this video, definitely like, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and look out for more travel vlogs. Hit that notification bell down there. It might be down there. Hit that notification bell down there so you're notified anytime I come out with more vlogs, and catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching, guys.